Are you anything like me where you hate doing your eye makeup, but you want to do something so then you don't look tired and old all the time? Yeah, me too. Keep watching and I'll show you how to do this quick and simple eye look that's great for every day and takes less than 5 minutes. Probably less than 3 minutes, actually. Is it the best eye makeup look ever? Will it make your lashes look thicker? I mean, I think it does. It works on my eyes. And as you can see, I have a very deep set eye. I will do anything to help my eyes pop. And this seems to really work. First, I'm going to take the Tower 28 concealer. This is my favorite concealer, my ride or die. It's in the shade EP. Just going to grab a little on the back of my hand right here. I'm going to take this Cozzette brush right here, grab a little of the concealer, and we're just gonna go over the entire lid, all the way up to the brow, canceling out any redness, any darkness, creating a nice canvas. I do this pretty much every day, whether or not I'm wearing eye makeup. Take the other eye. In that inner corner right there too, I tend to have a little bit of darkness in there as well. And then I'm gonna take a pressed powder. This is Palisades Pink on a Smith 247 brush. And I'm just gonna set that concealer all over. Now we're going to do something that I like to call eye contouring. It's not as complicated as it sounds, I promise. It's basically when you take any kind of powder, whether it's a contour powder or an eyeshadow, or in this case, a bronzer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer. It's what I had on hand. I have used it for this many, many times. I'm gonna take the same brush that we used for the powder, the 247 from Smith. And then what I'm gonna do, I have a mirror off camera. I'm just going to keep my eye open and follow along on my brow bone, because as you can see, I have a deep set eye, so I have a protruding brow bone. So I kind of want to receive that a little bit and then bring the shadow down like this. I'm going to close my eyes so then you can see it a little bit better. And what that does is it creates a shadow right here and it gives the eye a little bit more structure if you look at it. Can you see how it kind of contours the eye on the outer third? That's what we're going for. But super subtle, great for every day. I'm just going to do the other eye. And I like to lift my eye just a little bit, like that, and then extend like that. We're essentially creating an outer V with this contour color. That's basically what we're doing. Now I'm going to do something that's quite controversial on this channel. Every time I do it, there's always people in the comments saying, you shouldn't do this, it's dangerous for your eyes. That being said, I'm gonna take this eyeliner and I'm gonna tightline on my upper lash line. So I'm just gonna take and pull up and then just go and try and wiggle it between your lashes. And I'm not going to go all the way in. I just kind of went halfway in. And then I'm just going to run that along the lash line like that. And then take a very, very tiny brush and just wiggle that and blend it between my lashes. I'm gonna clean up that little spot right there. I'm gonna take a Q-tip that's been dipped in Bioderma and I'm just gonna go over that just to make it a little bit more seamless so that when we curl the lashes, it gives the illusion of a thicker lash line on that outer corner and gives us that extension. Okay, same thing on the other side. And just take it like that, all along the lash line. We're trying to get in between the lashes. And now taking my Tweezerman eyelash curler, I'm going to curl the lashes. Make sure to get almost to the root and then give that a good squeeze. Other side, probably about 10 squeezes. And then we're going to use a really black mascara. This one's one of my favorites. It's the YSL Lash Clash. This is not the waterproof. And then what I like to do, I have my mirror right here. I'll hold it below and look down, because we're just doing the top lashes. But you really want to wiggle it into the root. I'm trying so hard not to make a face right now because I always make that mascara face. Look at the difference just with mascara, right? And another thing I like to do is I'll hold it at the base and then blink down on it, and that really helps. So this is the eye makeup zoomed out. I have a little bit of foundation and concealer on. I wanted to keep the skin pretty minimal because I wanted you to see the impact of the eye makeup on its own with just a little bit of coverage on the skin. I'm gonna take the bronzer again and the same brush, the Smith Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna go right under the lower lash line just to give a little bit more definition. And I couldn't do this before because I didn't have my concealer and my base on. And then what you can do is you can extend it and connect it with what we did on the top. Is this a super complicated eye makeup to do? No. Is it revolutionary? Also no. But this is something that I like to do when I'm not in the mood to do eye makeup, which is pretty much all the time, but I still want my entire face to look rounded out and finished, and I want to make my eyes pop just a little bit. If you want to keep watching or you want more tips and tricks on how to do your eye makeup, please check out my playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with a brand new one.